It's been so long that I have not filmed an Ipsy unbagging video. Welcome guys, my name is Jen. For today's video we are going to review everything that has come in this Ipsy bag for April, and just check this out. Last time I did this video was probably like 6-7 months ago. Recently just signed up to start receiving them again. This bag looks amazing. Can we look at it please? This screams summer, spring. It's so pretty. It has lemons all over it. I am obsessed with lemons. I love lemons so much. I love lemonade. I love lemon ice cream. I love lemon scents. I love lemon perfume, whatever creams. I'm obsessed. Beautiful color on the inside as well. You get a beautiful mint color. This, if you've never heard of it, let me tell you really quickly because I'm sure a lot of you have. But this is a monthly subscription that you get. They send you 5 samples, makeup brush, eyeshadow, highlighter. But the difference with the Ipsy subscription is that it's customized to you. So you basically take a quiz before they start sending you monthly subscriptions, and it asks you like your skin type, your eye color, what are your preferences, what brands do you like, and all that stuff. Because I know a lot of brands have that, but it's not really like a customized. You just pay an amount and they just send out like 5 products to you. I have sensitive skin, that's why I prefer Ipsy. In this bag we're getting 5 items plus the beautiful bag that you get, and let me tell you, they're all very good quality. Do get a little card here, which on the outside it always just has a little message, and this one says now in season fresh spring beauty. Came out with another, I think it's called Plus, and I don't remember what you get there. Maybe like full-size items, but it is a little more. I think it's like $25. And I will insert clips of me trying these products. First thing we have here is a eyeliner, and I'll try to put here like if I find the price for this, but this is the brand London, and you see, this is why I love this, because I get to try so many brands that like maybe I've heard of or never heard of, and if it wasn't for this I would have not really had the opportunity to try it. So this is from London, and this is the Black Magic liquid eyeliner plus wide lash. It says looking for a new eyeliner to love, and their A+ waterproof liner dries ASAP and won't fade, smudge, or budge, so no worries about having to reapply. With its taper precision tip, the looks you can create with it are limitless. It's waterproof, lash enhancing precision brush, carbon black, getting 0.035 ounces. It does tell you here in this little sticker the ingredients, so that's pretty cool. It wasn't the easiest for me to try. Like, I suck at eyeliner, period. I'm not a beauty makeup artist or anything like that. I'm just obsessed with makeup, so this doesn't really work for me. I'm more like of a brush girl. Like, an eyeliner of a brush is better, but this is what I love, like liquid eyeliners. I live for that. But just this kind of tip, like, I made a disaster trying it, but I still wanted to show you what it looks like. It helps your lashes grow as well, so I thought that was really cool. Found really great ones with the brush. Next thing we have is here a eyeshadow, and this is by the brand Nomad. I'm pretty sure I've heard of this, and this says is an intense eyeshadow, dual chrome iced yellow eyeshadow with extra fine pigments infused with hemp seed oil to help energize skin for fierce color. Made in China, it's cruelty free and vegan, and the shelf life is about 12 months. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. Like, if you're obsessed with tiny things, you're gonna have like a lot of mini size items here. I wouldn't use this like for like all over the lid. It feels very buttery, and yeah, it's nice. It's a really nice color, like maybe for like to highlight in the inner corner or something. On the little pamphlet it says inspired by a historic Berlin neighborhood. The shadow is made with hemp seed oil to nourish and hydrate the sensitive skin on your eyelids. Make your eyes pop. Use a fluffy eyeshadow brush. dab onto the inner corner of your eye to highlight. Inner corner, this will look amazing. And we also have a brush. I love when they include a brush. Like, you can never have enough brushes. And they sent me a perfect one, which is a contour brush. I love contour brushes. And this one is from Firma Beauty. And it just looks like this. So it's plain white. It has a nice brown here on top. It feels very soft. It says Firma 103, and here it says Firma Beauty's mission is to keep products out of landfills by using sustainable materials only. This contour brush is angled to trace the curves of your face for a streak-free application, and the soft and synthetic bristles hold powder without any spillage. We'll try on this bronzer and we'll just see how it applies. And we'll see. Oh, whoa, so dark. Well, at least you know it's packing on the product. But it's not the brush's fault. You know what it is that my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, the light medium, it's like I hit pan. This is the medium to dark, so one swipe will be better than two. So I'm just trying it out. I'm not gonna do my whole face because I'm already contoured, but that's good. It feels soft. It doesn't feel harsh. As soft as this one. This is my one from Wet n Wild. Oh my god, if you want something extremely soft, this is insanity. And we have here something from Tarte, one of my favorite brands ever. This is the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer, and this is a 0.33 ounce. This is made in Korea, and it says it has a shelf life of 6 months. Like a matte person, not that I don't hydrate, I always put like moisturizer and everything, but like, is this good for my skin? It does come out like white. It doesn't feel heavy actually. It's like nice and runny. Oh my god, first of all, it smells like heaven. Right now, like while it's drying, it does feel kind of a little tacky while it dries, but I do have to use it for a couple of days and see how I like it. Does it make me look extra glowy? Or usually don't go for like hydrating things because I'm super oily. Brand new primer is loaded with jojoba and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours, and coconut to smooth your skin. That is what I'm smelling, the coconut, and I swear, like, oh, I love coconut so much. Plus, it helps your makeup look better and last longer. This one's vegan and cruelty-free. After cleansing, smooth all over your face before foundation. And we have a body butter. When I smelled this, I wanted to die. If I could ever create a cream, this would be exactly like my dream cream, and I can't believe it exists. Like, I've smelled so many amazing things. I'm addicted to makeup just like I'm addicted to fragrance. I die for fragrance, for perfumes, for creams, splashes, Bath and Body Works, Victoria, all of that. I've made videos of like several perfume favorites and stuff like that. Delectable by Cake Beauty Triple Citrus Blend Body Butter Cream. Natural Beauty, and this is a 1 ounce. That is amazing. I get a 1 ounce of this amazing thing. Obviously you have to like citrus. I smelled this, I swear it took me back to like the best memories of my life of when I've been on vacation, like in the tropical islands. This is what this smells like to me. Massage onto damp skin in a circular motion, concentrating on dry areas like knees and elbows. So it says when it comes to beauty moisturizers that smell delish, this brand hits the sweet spot. Listen, I couldn't agree more, and I've never heard of this brand before. This is cruelty-free and vegan. It's created in Canada. Every formula is infused with shea butter to nourish and repair dry skin, and antioxidant packed. Ooh, I love that. Really? Grapefruit, tangerine, orange extracts to invigorate your senses and leave your skin glowing. So I need to smell it again. It's been too long. Oh my god. The best combination of scents that I could ever think. It doesn't leave you greasy or anything like that. I love that, because I'm the kind of person like that breaks out really easily. Even I break out in my body and I'm like, but why? And then I think like, oh my god, it was like a splash. It was probably a splash that I put that broke me out. This is just like first impressions. I don't know. I haven't used this for a while, so I don't know if it will be like too thick or too intense. So the bag is beautiful. I just know the white is gonna get so dirty, but I'll try to take care of it. Yellow, totally into yellow right now. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.